I was standing by my window when I heard my bulldog bark. He was barking at two men who were gambling in the dark. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! It was Staggerly and Delay, two men who gambled. Staggerly said he drew 6, and Delay he drew 9. Staggerly said Delay, oh no, I won't let you go with that. I want my money back and my brand new Stetson hat. Staggerly went to the ballroom. He stood across the ballroom floor. He said, oh, 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 don't nobody move, as he pulled his 44. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, Staggerly! Dracula, oh no! Oh, please don't take my life! I've got 3 little children and a really sick wife! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Staggerly shot Delay. Oh, he shot that poor boy. Oh, he shot that poor boy so bad. Poor Staggerly. Poor Staggerly. Poor Staggerly. Oh no, oh no. Oh no, no. Oh no, 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 no. Oh, oh, oh. I was standing by my window